Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing good. Assalamu alaikum.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. So today, Athar, we are going to continue with lesson number 10. Okay, lesson 10, which is the last lesson of this book. And we almost completed reading the lesson portion. And we are here. So just revise the last concept on this page, page 73. Hamidun indaka sayyaratun ya akhi. Hamid asked, indaka, can you translate it? Inda means do you have?
Do you have a car, oh brother?
Oh, my brother, because this ya says my. Okay. Akhi, my brother. So, and Muhammad replied, La, ma indi sayyaratun.
No, I don't have.
Akar. Sayyaratun akar.
Indi darajatu.
Yeah. Indi darajatun.
Indi darajatu.
I have.
Hamzatu.
No, darajatun. I have
a bike.
Yeah, a bike. Hamzatu.
Hamzatu.
Hamza
has a car.
Yeah, Hamza indahu sayyaratun has a car. Okay, so this exercise was your homework, and I think we did up till here. Alaka ukhtun, do you have a sister? Okay.
Naam. Ukhtun
wahidatun. Okay. Indaka sayyaratun. The same pattern. If you don't have a car, say this.
La ma indi sayyaratun.
Okay, very good. And indaka darajatun. Do you have a bike?
Naam inda darajatu.
Indi, because you are talking about yourself. No, do you have the bike or not?
Yes.
Yes, you do have. So don't use ma. Ma means I don't. Ma is nafia, negation. Okay. So don't use ma. Naam indi darajatun. Naam, yes. Naam indi darajatun. Yes, I have a bike. Indaka qalamun.
نعم عندي قلم.
Okay, indi qalamun. Indaka daftarun, a register or an office.
لا ما عندك.
Indi. Because you are talking about yourself. So indi. So ma la
عندي
daftarun. Okay. Excuse me. Abuka tajirun. Is Abuka your father? Is your father a businessman or a merchant?
لا هو
Tabibun. Tabibun. Okay. Min aina Muhammadun. From where is Muhammad? In this, he was from Medina, right? Muhammadun. No, Muhammadun. Ana min al Hindi. So Who, how would you say? Min aina Muhammadun?
Uh,
For
mm,
Muhammadun, what pronoun you are going to use?
هو
Huwa,
هو من أين
minal. Aina is where?
هو من أين من oh هو من هو من
Minal,
من من الهندي
minal Hindi. Yes, huwa minal Hindi. Ma lughatuhu. What is your language? Oh, what is his language? Ma lughatuhu. His language. You can start with lughatuhu. Lughatuhu. You can.
لغته آه
I think
لغته
Urdu.
أردو
Yeah, let me see. لغة لغة الأردية. أردية. Okay. Then من أين همزة?
آه آه هو هو من الياباني
من الياباني. ما لغته؟
آه لغته آه
Japanese, right? Yeah.
I don't know.
يابانية. لغته
يابان
يابانية. This
يابانية
ya is for relationship. Yaban, Japan, and Japanese language Yabaniyatu. Okay, so you add ya for the relationship. Okay, now this is the next exercise from the same lesson. And what you are going to do, you need to fill in the blanks with the appropriate pronoun. Okay, suitable pronoun. If it's a masculine, if we are talking about a masculine ism, then you are going to add who, because who is the attached form of hua. Who means his, him. Okay, let me write it down. Who is ha is her, and who is his or him. Okay, so you are going to use accordingly. First you need to translate this and then fill in the blank. Okay, هذه البنت هذه البنت طالبة. Can you translate this?
her daughter is a doctor.
No. It's not tabib. Talibatun is a student.
I mean,
And un is saying it's a female student, and hadihi is for feminine. Haza is masculine. Isme ishara. Haza, this, and hazihi is again this, but hazihi we say when we are pointing to a feminism. So hadihil bintu, this girl is a student. This girl, and you know this is which type of fragment is this? Hadihil bintu. This is which type of fragment?
Point.
Yeah, pointer
Sure.
fragment. Pointer fragment. So this is not a complete jumla. This is this is not a complete sentence from here to here. Hazihil bintu, this girl is a student. Okay, this girl is a student. Then ismu, who or ha? Ismuhu, ismuhu,
اسمها.
yes, because this is we are about a girl. هذه البنت طالبة. So this is a girl. This girl is a student. So ismuha Zainabu. Her name is Zainab. Okay, now this one, Muhammadun Tabibun. Muhammadun Tabibun.
Muhammad. Muhammad is a doctor.
Wabnu.
Wabnuhu.
Wabnuhu. He is the son of. Oh no, his son is. His son is.
A doctor?
No, his son is.
No.
And his son is Muhammadun Tabibun. Muhammad is a doctor. Wabnuhu, and his son is an engineer.
A principal?
No, engineer. Okay, so Muhandisun, engineer. Hadha rajulu. Can you translate this? Hadha rajulu.
This
This
man
Tajirun Kabirun.
this man is a big merchant.
Yes, is a big merchant. So, okay. Ismu.
Ismuhu.
Ismuhu.
His name is Abdullah.
Yes. Now this one. Aminatu fil ghurfati.
Isn't Aminatu a girl?
Yes,
name?
Amina name. Yeah, Amina.
Amina.
Fil ghurfati.
Aminatu. Amina is in the library?
No, room. Ghurfatu, room. Yeah. Amna is in the room. Wa ummu.
Ummuhu.
Who?
Ummuha. Sorry, Ummuha.
Ummuha. Wa ummuha, and her mother
Is in
Matbakhi is kitchen.
the kitchen.
Yeah. Wa ummuha is in his mother. Her mother is in the kitchen. Aishatu tabibatun. Aishatun tabibatun. Oh, Aishatu tabibatun. So Aisha is.
Aisha is a girl.
Tabibatun. Muhammadun tabibun. Muhammad is a doctor. So Aisha Talibatun is a student. Talibun is a male student.
Yeah, doctor.
Yeah, is a lady doctor or is a doctor. Aisha is a doctor. Wa ukhtu ha or who?
Ha.
Yes, wa ukhtuha, and her sister is a mumarridatun, nurse, is a nurse. Okay, now this one, kharaja We use this fail so many times. Kharaja, he left. Who left? Muhammad.
Muhammad.
So Muhammad left the class.
Muhammad just left the class.
No, there is
and
no just here. Yeah.
Muhammad left the class and left
And left ma'ahu. Ma'a means with, and who means? Who means?
with him.
Yeah, with him. And with him left
Zamiluhu.
Zamiluhu. Very
Yeah.
good. Excellent. Zamiluhu. And with him left his class fellow, his companion also. So Muhammad left the class and his companion also left the class. Okay, now next one. Let me clear all this and do the next one. And this is a different one. Look, you need to make 5 questions with their answers on this pattern. Like you can use qalamun or baitun or kitabun, something, right? Darajatun, sayyaratun. Okay, let me write here what you can use, what 5 ism you can use, like qalamun, kitabun, darajatun, baitun, and what else? Sayyaratun. Sayyaratun. Okay, same pattern. The first one is already there. Indaka qalamun means do you? And Athar, can you hear me?
Yes.
Indaka qalamun, do you have?
You have a pen.
Yes. So okay. La ma indi qalamun. Oh, sorry. We are here on the question number 3. Okay. Indaka qalamun, do you have a pen? Naam. Yes. I do. Yes, I do have a pen. I do have a pen. Now use these words as with the same pattern. Now kitabun. Indaka. Indaka. You are asking someone. Indaka. Indaka. Instead of qalam, you are going.
Kitabun.
Yeah. Do you have a kitab? Then answer.
Naam indi kitabun.
Yes. Now for the bike.
عندك دراجة. نعم عندي دراجة.
Okay, good.
عندها بيت
In the
عندك
again ka, you are asking someone who is in front of you. Okay.
عند بيت
In the ka, in the ka,
عندك
in the ka, baitun,
عندك
baitun.
بيت
Hmm.
نعم عندي بيت
Okay. Now about car.
عند عندك سيارة نعم نعم لا عندي سيارة
Naam indi sayaratun. One time you need to say it affirmative. Yes, I have. So naam indi sayaratun. Yes, I have sayaratun. It's not about you. It's about the pattern we are following. Okay.
oh,
Yeah, it's not about you that you have a car or have a bike or a house. This is about the pattern we are following. In the next question, what you are going to say, follow the pattern of indaka kalamun, do you have a pen? But this time the answer is in negation. No, I don't have a pen. So la ma indi kalamun. So the same way for kalamun, you already say it. Aindaka kalamun, aindaka kalamun. Just answer.
لا ما عندي قلم
عندك كتاب؟
لا ما عندي كتاب
عندك دراجة؟
لا ما عندي دراجة
عندك بيت؟
لا ما عندي بيت
عندك سيارة؟
لا ما عندي سيارة
So that's how these two exercises are done. And let's scroll down and do the last exercise on this page. Yeah, page. So this is the pattern. Like for qalamun, this is the pattern. Qalamun, a pen. Hada qalami. Can you translate this? This is the pattern you are going to follow for these. So baitun.
بيت
Okay. Hada qalami. This is
This is my pen.
yeah. This is my pen. Hada qalamuka. Ka means you, someone who is in front of you, and he is a male. So hada qalamuka. Kalamuka. Kalami means my pen. Ka means you. Kalamuka. Ka means you.
Is your pen?
Your pen. Okay. Now, hada kalamuhu. Who is? Who is what? Who means his or him, right? So hada kalamuhu. This is
his pen.
okay. And then the next pattern is for her. So this is Aza kalamuha. This is
her pen.
Her pen. So for Baitun, say this is my house. So how do you say this is my house?
هذا بيتي.
Then
هذا بيته.
Baituka. This is your house.
بيته.
Now Hadha Baituhu means
هذا هذا بيته.
and Hadha Baituha. Hadha
هذا
Baituhu. Hadha Baituhu means
this is his house.
Hadha Baituha.
This is her house.
Her house. Okay, good. And from here to here, which fragment are we talking about? Baiti. My house. Baiti, my house. So which fragment is this?
Is it
This
إضافة?
is Baitu and then Ya Mutakallim, which is attached pronoun. It can be jar or it can be nasb. So Baitu is for if you are saying it's idafa, so Baitu should be what?
jar.
Mudaf should be jar. Should always be jar.
No, مضاف إليه.
Mudaf should be what?
رفع.
No, it's not rafa, but mudaf should always be light and
ألف.
lam. No alif lam. So Baitu is light and no alif lam. And this ya is in which status? This ya is in which status?
jar.
Jar. Okay. Baituka, your house. This ka is in which status?
نص.
Hmm?
Is it نص?
Why nasb? Because of fatah. But you know, pronouns are always fixed. Pronouns are fixed. They don't show their Arab with fatah dhamma kasra. They are fixed. So their status is determined by whether they are attached or they are separate. Okay.
It's attached.
So this one is attached. Attached pronoun are either nasb or jar. Okay, either nasb or jar.
jar.
So now this is because it is connected with Baitu and Baitu is light, no alif lam. So Baitu is mudaf and ka is mudaf ilayh. So mudaf ilayh should always be jar. So now we have only one possibility that this should be jar. Okay. Baituka. Now it cannot be nasb because Baitu is mudaf. Baitu is light, no alif lam. So this can, or this ka, which is attached pronoun, can only be jar now. Are you getting the point? So this is idafa combination. What about baytuhu?
Wait, who is Josh?
Who is jar and baytu is what? Who is jar? Yes, who is jar? Attached pronoun. But
Rafa?
Baitu is Rafa. Yeah. Baitu is Rafa because when it's gonna make a sentence, Hada Baituhu, Hada Baituhu, Hada would be Mubtada, which is again Rafa, but Haza is also fixed. Haza is ism ishara, different type of ism, but this ism, pointer ism are also fixed. So this Haza is again Rafa, and Baitu or Kalamu are Rafa because of this Dhamma, and the attached pronoun is Jar. Okay? And the attached pronoun is Jar. So Haza Kalamuhu, this is Mubtada and this is Khabar. Khabar plus Mudaf. Khabar plus Mudaf. And who is Mudafila? Who is Mudafila? Okay, now Ha, Baitu Ha. Again, same. Haza Baituha. Haza.
Jar.
Haza Baituha. Haza is Ism Ishara
Jar.
and Ha is Jar. Yeah, Ha is Jar because it is Mudafila. Because it is Mudafila and Baitu is it's a Mudaf. Okay. Let me clear all this and see what is next. Oh, so this is your homework. Like Baitun, this is Baiti, my book, Baituka, your book, Baituhu, his book, and Baituha, her book. Now, Kitabun. You are going to do this exercise. So how you are going to do? This is your homework. I'm just showing you the first one. Kitabun. My book would be, Kitabun is a book. So my book would be,
Mm, uh,
my book.
Kitab. B.
Kitabi, yes. Actually, it is kitabu plus ya mutakallim. Okay, plus ya. But because this ya, whenever it is attached to an ism, this ya needs a kasra before it. So this dhamma has to, we have to put a kasra before ya. That's why it is kitabi. Okay. So my book is kitabi. What about your book?
Um,
Your book. Should I write kitabun or kitabu?
Kitab. Bu.
Kitabu, because I'm making a idafa fragment. So I need to make it light. Okay, kitabu. Then your book. Your book. Kitabu. Kitabuka. Kitabuka. Your book. Okay, kitabuka. Then his book. Then his book. Kitabu. What about his? Athar, can you hear me?
Yes.
Kitabu.
Kitabuhu.
Who? Yes. Who? So Kitabuhu, his book, and her book.
Kitabuha.
Kitabuha. Okay. So this is the pattern you are going to follow for your homework. So this is your homework, and you are going to follow the same for Sarirun, Ismun, Mindilun, Ibnun, Sayaratun, Miftahun, Yadun. Okay. So Sarirun, Sariri, Sariri, Sariruka, Sariruhu, Sariruha. Then Ismi, Ismuka, Ismuhu, Ismuha. That's how you are going to write. And I need this homework in writing. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to take a picture and share with you. And inshallah, next time when we have a class, show me your homework. Write these words here and show me your homework. Take a picture of that page and share with me. Okay. So I'm going to stop the recording and share this picture with you. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.